These flicks can leave you amazed. Welcome to Flixzy.com. I'm your host Siddhivinayak Dubey and today we are counting on our top 10 movies that won Oscar. But चालू करने से पहले मैं हमेशा वही चीज़ कहूँगा जो तुम लोग कभी करते नहीं हो, that please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for the latest updates. Also, don't forget to check out our website www.flixzy.com where you can find availability of any movie and where to watch them. We also have this idiot box where you just need to fill out the information and boom, you get yourself a movie. Number 10, Bohemian Rhapsody. Now, if you are a fan of Freddie Mercury, then this movie is a must for you.
No escape from reality.
He was the lead singer of a band named Queen and this movie is named after the famous song of it, the Bohemian Rhapsody.
I enjoyed the show. I write songs.
Our lead singer just quit.
Then you'll need someone new.
And this movie बहुत ही सुंदर तरीके से उसके जिंदगी के phases को portray करती है.
I want to give the audience a song that they can perform. What's the lyric?
Include the process of creating the band,
Concerning your private life.
What more do you need to know? I make music.
events that led to their most iconic and celebrated concert, the Live Aid Tour.
We're all legends.
And yes, you'll get to know कि क्या-क्या controversies थी around Freddie regarding his sexuality, AIDS and disputes in life.
I love the way you move on stage. The whole room belongs to you. Don't you see what you could be?
Number 9, Forrest Gump. Forrest Gump, a half-witted man,
Who in the hell is that? That there's Forrest Gump, coach. Just a local idiot.
looks back to the glory days of his life where almost everything seemed possible.
Your boy's different.
Are you stupid or something? Mama says stupid as a stupid does. I'm Jenny. I'm Forrest Gump.
Thinking back from one historical event to the next, with only one thing in common.
Tom Hanks. I'm not a smart man, but I know what love is.
His childhood best friend, Jenny, the girl he wants to reunite with.
Mom always said life was like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get.
Number 8, Whiplash. Now, being a drummer, इस movie के लिए मेरे दिल में अलग ही जगह है.
That's going to take up more of my time, and this is why I don't think that we should be together.
Andrew Newman is a 19-year-old determined jazz drummer who enrolls in a music conservatory.
I'm part of Schaefer's top jazz orchestra. It's the best music school in the country.
He is handpicked by Terence Fletcher into his own band.
5, 6, and.
And Fletcher is a kind of guy जिसके साथ तुम हमेशा से काम करने का मकसद रखते हो but या कभी कर नहीं पाते.
I push people beyond what's expected of them. I believe that is an absolute necessity.
However, Fletcher proves to be a nightmare.
Were you rushing or were you dragging?
I don't know.
This movie chronicles the real life struggles of what it takes to become the greatest. And believe me, you will love this movie. Number 7, The Godfather. This movie series is hands down one of the biggest movies Hollywoods have ever made around the mafia.
And if by chance an honest man like yourself should make enemies, then he would become my enemies.
Written by Mario Puzo, revolves around a mafia family in New York whose head is Don Vito Corleone.
Be my friend. Godfather.
His son Michael returns home after World War II and is adamant about staying out of the family business.
That's my family, kid. It's not me. Hey, what are you going to do? Nice college boy, huh? They want to get mixed up in the family business?
But उसके father की health सही नहीं रहती है and his fate makes him face his family legacy. Number 6, Her. This movie is literally very beautifully written.
Mr. Theodore Twombly, Welcome to the world's first artificially intelligent operating system. We'd like to ask you a few questions.
Being left heartbroken by his marriage that ends in a divorce, a lonely man named Theodore, a man who works for a company and spends his time mostly alone.
How are you?
I guess I've just been having fun.
You really deserve that.
After the new invention of an operating system, he starts talking to it every day.
Please wait as your operating system is initiated.
Hello, I'm here.
Hi.
Hi, I'm Samantha.
But soon enough, finds himself falling for her.
I've never loved anyone the way I love you.
Me too. Now we know how.
Number 5, La La Land. ये मूवी एक तरह की rom-com musical है about Sebastian, a jazz pianist, and Mia, an aspiring actress.
I just heard you play, and I wanted.
Obviously, they cross paths and fall in love in Los Angeles while trying to pursue their dreams.
Just write your own rules, you know, write something that's as interesting as you are.
What are you gonna do?
I have my own club.
And ऐसी movies का एक अलग ही तरह का gist होता है where they are soon enough faced with a decision in their careers that threaten to rip their very relationships away from them.
This is the dream. It's conflict and it's compromise. It's very, very exciting.
Number 4, 12 Years a Slave. Now कहानी की शुरुआत होती है 1841 में जहां अफ्रीकन अमेरिकन सोलोमन नॉर्थ को न्यूयॉर्क से किडनैप करके एक स्लेव बना दिया जाता है.
I was born a free man, lived with my family in New York.
Be good for your mother.
Until the day I was deceived.
To Solomon.
Kidnapped. Sold into slavery.
He faces the hardships of being a slave by various slave owners.
Days ago, I was with my family in my home. Now you tell me all is lost.
If you want to survive, do and say as little as possible.
And with courage and faith, he somehow endures 12 years of abduction.
I will survive. I will not fall into despair. I will keep myself hardy till freedom is offered.
Until उसकी मुलाकात एक abolitionist से होती है, who is from Canada and promises to send a letter to his family.
If I was a free man, I'm not a slave.
Number 3, Moonlight. This movie portrays 3 phases Sharon's की life के, which includes young adolescence, mid-teen, and young adult. Portraying real-life struggles and उसके emotions which shape him and seal his fate.
No, you gon' listen.
To who, Ma? Huh? To you?
Number 2, Joker. मूवी के बारे में बात करने से पहले ही hands down, क्योंकि Joaquin Phoenix की acting is like top of the notch.
I have some bad news for you.
Mentally disturbed and failed comedian, Arthur Fleck walks the street of Gotham City alone after getting bullied and ridiculed by society.
When I was a little boy and told people I was going to be a comedian, everyone laughed at me. Well, no one's laughing now.
He begins to commit bloody crimes and is forced to meet his alter ego, the Joker.
I didn't know if I even really existed.
Do watch this movie if you haven't.
Murray, one small thing.
Yeah.
When you bring me out, can you introduce me as Joker?
And finally, the number 1 and my favorite, Parasite.
대신 얘 과외 선생님 좀 해줘라, 영어.
대학생인 척하라는 거야?
불화를 좀 치지 뭐.
This movie is indeed a comedy without clowns and a thriller without villains.
수류가 재질인데.
침팬지를 그린 거죠?
자화상이에요.
역시.
I never knew that a movie can be so intensely engaging without all the explosions and mayhem. It just felt very different on many levels.
아 잠깐. 제시카 외동딸 일리노이 시카고 과선배는 김진모 그는 이사촌.
And अगर ये अभी तक नहीं देखी है तो I really want you to see it.
좀 진짜로 이상한 게 뭔 것 같아.
So that's all from our side. Do tell us your favorite Oscar-winning films in the comment section given below. Until then, peace.